The biggest problem for Bosnia and Herzegovina is corruption and organized crime. But if judging by court verdicts, there is no corruption in Bosnia and Herzegovina. None of important politician has been condemned for corruption or organized crime. It just showed that how well politicians and the judiciary can cooperate together. And it's all against the citizens of Bosnia and Herzegovina. That's why in order to promote and to prosper, we need to get rid of corrupt politicians, and not just politicians, also corrupt people from judiciary, from entrepreneurship and all other fields. The corruption is an obstacle for many good things that should happen, and it's springboard for many bad things that happened to Bosnia and Herzegovina. What's important is that Bosnia and Herzegovina is not a poor country. It's just a country plundered by its own politicians. And we do not have enough strength to get over it. Our opposition is not strong enough. Under opposition, I mean on political parties, civil society, also media, independent media, and also citizens. In that field, we need a lot of help, and that's what I expect from Summit, to help us to have a really rule of law, to have a judiciary that is efficient and that is independent, and that show clearly that criminal doesn't pay. What we expect from judiciary is to prosecute criminals and politicians that are involved in corrupt activity, and not let them lead this country into destruction. Bosnia and Herzegovina has enough human, technological and natural potential to avoid all these problems and recover from the damages that we are facing for years. From Western Balkans Summit in London, I expect to show us the right path to achieve it and to achieve a rule of law, and what can NGOs, civil society, media and opposition and also citizens do against corruption and organized crime.